Hello buddy, welcome back to my channel. This is my latest little project I just got finished with. These are those Viking swords that are over in Norway. I have some family that's going to be doing a Viking themed wedding in October, and they asked me if I can make them a couple things that were kind of Viking related. And these were a couple of the things that they asked if I could make. So I decided to see if I can make them. Now these things range anywhere from 10.5 feet tall to 12 feet tall. They're made out of all styrofoam with a little reinforcement on the inside. There is a steel pipe running down the center of them. And what that allows me to do, that allows me to put a stake in the ground, and that's what keeps them upright. All the painting is just kind of a slate color gray with a little bit of a black on top of that with some white dry brushing and a little bit of green at the bottom. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the way these came out. Leave me a comment on what you guys think. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.